Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the IT class. So, in the last class, we have started the chapter that is Amazing World at Your Fingertips. Okay, today we are going to the last portion of this chapter. So, we can move ahead with the portions. Okay.
Shopping can be done sitting at home. Dear children, now you are familiar with online shopping, right? In these COVID lockdown days, we are experiencing the online shopping. So, look here, we are usually buying the rice, vegetables and other things by going to the shops. But we also having the facility without going to shops and buying the things. How? Yes, by using the commercial sites that's on the internet. So there are lot of commercial sites on the internet for online shopping. Okay, so the trade using these commercial sites is called online shopping. Okay, the trade using commercial sites is called online shopping. We can order the required goods by giving our postal address in these shopping sites. The only required thing that is our address. Okay, because they want to deliver it to our correct address, so you have to give our postal address. Then there are lot of methods for paying the fees or paying the cash. Okay, you can give the money when the delivery boy is arriving at you, that is cash on delivery. Either you can pay by internet banking. Okay, so there are lot of methods for paying the cash. There are websites which provide such facilities. Find out those important sites with the help of your teachers. So this is the assignment for you. You have to find the important sites that provide the online shopping. Okay, you have to list out any 5 important sites that is providing online shopping. Okay, next topic, while using the internet. Okay, while visiting websites, get the correct web address and type it in the browser without mistake. Okay, so you have to bother about lot of things when you are using the internet, because you already know that internet is good and also bad. Okay, not bad, but it is having some demerits, because some of the peoples are misusing the internet. Okay, so there is a chance for us for getting our fraudulent activities. Okay, we will fall in the fraudulent activities, so be aware of that. First one is, while visiting websites, get the correct web address and type it in the browser without mistakes. So if you are searching for anything, you have to type the correct web address in the search box. Okay, don't get any mistakes, which means the spelling mistakes. You have to get the correct web address. Okay, sometimes errors may occur while typing the web address. You may be led to wrong websites or may be cheated, since there are people who utilize these errors for such purposes. So, dear children, you have to get the correct web address of the website. Either if you are typing the wrong web address, means it will lead to some other websites. Maybe that websites be very dangerous websites for you. Some people are looking for the chance for cheating other peoples. Okay, so you have to aware of web addresses. Okay, mobile apps for anything and everything. Dear children, now you are using lot of applications in your smartphones, right? So in the last class you have studied that you can find the English and Malayalam meanings through the online dictionaries like Theeram, then Olam, etc. So not only for finding out the meanings, but also you can do lot of activities like reading the news, then performing banking transactions, then you can make use of the GPS finding the routes, then you can reserve the tickets. Next you can find the timings for bus and train. Okay, so these all mobile application, that is in the short form you can call it as apps. These apps are therefore helping us. Okay, so these mobile applications are very famous because it is available for all the people, because the smartphones are available to all of us and the internet is also available. So the applications are very popular for all. Okay, here Android Play Store of Google, App Store of Apple, Windows Phone Store of Microsoft, etc. help to install apps easily. So you can easily install the applications in your mobile phone by using these facilities. So you already heard about Play Store. Okay, this Play Store is of Google. So Android Play Store of Google. Next, Apple's Play Store is App Store. Okay, then Microsoft, you may heard about the operating system Microsoft. Okay, did you see such mobiles? Okay, there are some mobiles with a Microsoft OS. Okay, so it is having the Play Store which name is Windows Phone Store. Okay, so Google's, that is Android's phones, you having Play Store. Next, Apple App Store, Microsoft Windows Phone Store. Okay, here you can see some things, that is while using mobile phones. Okay, you already know that you cannot use mobile phones when you are driving. Okay, so if you are seeing someone is using the mobile phones while driving, you can remind them not to use this because it may lead to accidents. Okay, next, second one is you cannot take the photo of other persons without the permission of that particular person. Okay, it will be a punishable offense. Also, you cannot share the images or text messages which causing the defamation of some persons or institution. That may be also the punishable offenses. So don't take the photos of others without their permission, and you cannot pass the messages to other persons which causes defamation to the person or institutions. Next, third one, you are getting lot of messages in your day-to-day life that they are offering some gift. Okay, so don't reply for such messages, that may be the part of cyber spoofing. Okay, so don't react to such messages. Next, last one, creating false and fake messages which cause defamation to others and stand against national interest or generate rivalry among caste, religion, class is an offense. And storing such messages in your mobile phones is also punishable offense. Don't store such messages and don't share such messages. Okay, next, IoT, that is Internet of Things. Okay, so dear children, you may be sometimes heard that your mother is saying, oh God, the gas is cylinder is turned off, either the light is switched off or the door is closed when you are outside. So here is some solution for that. Electronic equipments at home will observe all these things. Is the valve of the gas is closed, then is the door is closed, etc. Okay, so we can say that your mobile phones will become multi-purpose devices in the near future. That is, IoT means observing and controlling equipments connected to the internet. Okay, so IoT means observing and controlling such equipments in your home. Okay, but it want to connect to the internet. That in equipments want to be connected to the internet. Then the IoT will observe and control such equipments. Okay. So, dear children, your assignment is that you have to write a short note on IoT. Okay, Internet of Things. Next, cyber crimes. So, you may heard about cyber world. Okay, so this term generally refers to the use of modern information communication devices like computer, internet, mobile phones, etc. Okay, so there are lot of laws, rules and regulations with regards to this cyber world. Okay, so if you are keeping the messages or the images or videos that is causing the defamation of other person, institution or technical facilities means it will be considered as cyber crimes. Okay, so don't get to be fooled when you are using internet. Okay, so be aware while we are using internet. Okay, so dear children, here we wind up this class. This is the theory portion. If you are having doubt, you can contact me. You will get lot of one-word question and answers from this chapter. So you have to write that. You have to read the textbook very well. Okay. In the last page, you can see one-word questions for you. Okay. You can write that questions also to your notebook. Okay, dear children, we can meet at the next class by new chapter. Thank you.